Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The long-rumored Google AI glasses are finally real, and they might just be the smartest wearable we've ever seen. Forget Apple Vision Pro, because Google's new AR glasses are about to flip the script in 2025. In this video, we're diving into the full specs, 10 mind-blowing features, leaked release date, and the expected price. And trust me, this is one wearable you'll want to see to believe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. This is the future of tech, and you're first in line. Google AI glasses, the introduction. Remember Google Glass from 2013? It was ahead of its time. But now, in 2025, Google is rewriting history. Powered by Gemini AI and packed with next-gen AR capabilities, the new Google AI glasses combine artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and real-world assistance all in a sleek, lightweight frame. Specifications: display. Micro OLED dual lenses with 2000 nits brightness processor. Google Tensor G4 AI chip. Camera. 12 MP front-facing with HDR and object recognition audio. Bone conduction speakers with spatial audio microphones. Dual beam-forming mics with noise cancellation battery. 8 to 10 hours use. Wireless charging included. Weight. Under 55 grams. Connectivity. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 5G eSIM option. Storage. 128 gigabytes internal with Cloud Sync operating system. Android AR OS with Gemini AI integration. Top 10 features that will blow your mind. Live translation in real time. See subtitles in real-life speak. To anyone, anywhere, any language. AR navigation with 3D overlays. Turn-by-turn directions floating on your streets and sidewalks. Instant object recognition. Look at anything, a building, plant, or artwork, and get AI-driven details instantly. Visual search. Point your head and search. No phone needed. Facial recognition, optional mode. Recognize friends, colleagues with privacy controls built in. Seamless notifications. Your calls, texts, and calendar overlaid discreetly. AI-powered fitness and health. Tracking. Posture analysis, eye fatigue alerts, even mood tracking. Real-time captioning. Perfect for people with hearing impairments or in loud environments. Gemini AI Copilot, an always available AI buddy for productivity, creativity, and problem-solving. Leaks and expected release date. According to insider leaks from Google I/O 2025 and patents filed late last year, the Google AI glasses are in the final stages of prototype testing. Multiple developers have spotted early versions in the wild. Q4 2025, just in time for the holidays, likely October or November. Expected price. Leaks suggest a base price of $1,199, with a pro version possibly hitting $1,599. But here's the twist: Google is reportedly working on a subscription AI model that could bring the price down with cloud-based computing. The Google AI glasses are no longer science fiction. They're coming, and they might just redefine the future of how we interact with the world. Like this video if you're excited. Subscribe for more deep dives into AI tech, AR gear, and the future of wearables. Share this with someone still stuck on their smartphone.